Hello there, friends. I am Jasmine, and I'm here to read you a really exciting book that we just got about a month or so ago. And it is called Nature is Like God. And I think this is such a wonderful book. It was actually written by a friend of a college friend of mine and her daughter. And I was really inspired to get it when I learned about it. So I'm just going to read a little bit about the book before I start it. First, it starts with Romans chapter 1, verse 20. It says, "For God's invisible attributes, namely his eternal power and divine nature, have been clearly perceived ever since the creation of the world in the things that have been made." And it talks about how the mom of the daughter that helped write it was coloring, and she talked about how there were a lot of connections. Like God was as big as a mountain, and she would be drawing a mountain. And it really reminded me that it's important to see God all around us in nature. And that's really the best way that we can sometimes experience God on a daily basis. And I thought that would be really great for not only me to be reminded of, but for my daughter as well. So I'll jump into the story, but I definitely encourage anyone out there who's interested, definitely look for a copy. You cannot see God, but God isn't hiding. God made the whole world so that you can find him. There's another fun secret in this book that I'll show you. The sun is strong, blinding, and full of light. And you probably can't quite see it, but every single page says "like God" in a different place. It's fun to find it. The mountain is big, ancient, and immovable, like God. The ocean is deep, uncharted, and overwhelming, like God. The forest is peaceful, healing, and a hiding place, like God. The wind is invisible, powerful, and everywhere, like God. The stars are unique, beautiful, and a guide to the lost, like God. The rain is clean, refreshing, and life-giving, like God. The sky has no beginning and no end. It covers us, like God. Like God. Romans 1:20. Thank you, guys.